السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة remote study. Welcome to the fifth part of our lesson series from the book titled Arabic Grammar Without Tears. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. Al-fi'l, verb or action word. Al-fi'l, verb or action word. We are going to learn from this lesson the definition of fi'l, verb in Arabic, and its categories. Al-fi'l, verb or action word. Al-fi'l by definition هو ما دل على حدوث شيء هو ما دل على حدوث شيء. Al-fi'l, verb. هو ما دل. It is any word in Arabic that indicates حدوث شيء, occurrence of something. Any word in Arabic that is telling you about something that happened in the past, or about something that is happening now, or about something that will happen in the future, in the time to come. Such a word is regarded as fi'lun in Arabic, a verb or action word. So huwa ma dalla, it is any word that indicates huduth shay, occurrence of something. The word huduth is taken from the Arabic word hadatha. Hadatha means to occur. Hadatha means to happen. If I may ask in Arabic, ماذا حدث? ماذا حدث? That means what happened? ماذا حدث? What happened? So huduth is the masdar of hadatha, yahaduthu. Just like jalasa yajlisu, the masdar is julus, sitting down. Just like dakhala, to enter, yadhulu, his entering, and the masdar is duhul, entering. The same format, the same wazn. Just like kharaja, he went out. Yakharuju, he is going out. And the masdar is khuruj, going out. So huduth is the masdar of hadatha, yahaduthu, which means to happen or to occur. So al-fi'l by definition, huwa ma dalla, it is a term in Arabic that indicates. Huwa ma dalla ala, it is a term in Arabic that indicates huduth shay, occurrence of something. So al-fi'lu yanqasimu ila thalathat aqsam. A verb can be categorized into three. A verb in Arabic, it can be categorized into three. Wahid, number one, a fi'lun madin, a past tense. Either you translate it as past tense or past participle, based on the way it appears to you in a statement. Ithnan, number two, a fi'lun mudari, present tense. Fi'lun mudari, a present continuous tense. Either you translate it as present tense or present continuous tense. It has two meanings. So you translate it the way it appears to you in a sentence. Thalatha, number three, a fi'lu amr, commandment. A fi'lu amr, commandment, which is a word in Arabic that we use to command others to do something. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Wahid, number one, is fi'lu madin. Now the examples of fi'lu madin. Kataba Ahmadu darsa. Ahmad has written the lesson. Remember that the last letter of any word appearing after a verb in Arabic must take Dhamma. The last letter of any word appearing after a verb in Arabic must take Dhamma. Just like Ahmad. Kataba Ahmadu darsa. Ahmad has written the lesson. We cannot say Ahmada or Ahmadi because the word Ahmad is the word appearing after the verb kataba. So kataba is an example of fi'lun madin. Ithnan, number two, katabtu darsa. I have written the lesson. Katabtu darsa. I have written the lesson. So katabtu is another example of fi'lun madin. Thalatha, number three, katabna darsa. We have written the lesson. So katabna is another example of fi'lun madin. Ithnan, number two, a fi'lun mudaru. Examples of fi'lun mudaru, a present tense or present continuous tense. Wahid, number one, يكتب أحمد الدرس. يكتب أحمد الدرس. Ahmad is writing the lesson. Ahmad is the name appearing after the verb yaktub. What have you seen happen to the last letter? So the last letter is now carrying Dhamma because it appears after the verb yaktub. So yaktubu Ahmadu darsa. Ahmad is writing the lesson. لعلك فهمت? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Ithnan, number 2. Aktubu darsa. I am writing the lesson. The Hamza means I'm talking about myself. Aktubu darsa, I am writing the lesson. So aktub is an example of fi'lun mudari. Thalatha, number 3. Naktubu darsa, we are writing the lesson. Naktubu darsa, we are writing the lesson. So you may ask me, you told us that any name that appears after naktub, after a verb in Arabic, the last letter must take Dhamma. The question is, who is the doer? The name we are talking about must be the doer of the action. When we say Yaktub Ahmad, Ahmad is writing. Who is writing? Ahmad. So Ahmad is the doer. That is why the last letter must take Dhamma. Who is the sufferer of the action of Ahmad? The lesson. The lesson is now suffering the action of writing from Ahmad. So the sufferer, the last letter of sufferer in Arabic takes Fatha. As in Yaktubu Ahmadu Darsa. We say Darsa, not Darsu or Darsi. So when we now say Aktubu Darsa, I am writing the lesson. Who is writing? I am the one. And the part of the verb that represents me as the doer is the Hamza. So the doer is hidden inside the verb. So Darsa is not the doer. That is why the last letter is not taking Dhamma and it is taking Fatha, because it is the sufferer of action of writing from me. So I am the doer. So, and the doer is hidden inside the verb aktub. Thalatha, number 3. Naktubu darsa, we are writing the lesson. Who is writing? We are the doer. What are we writing? Ad-darsa, the lesson. So the lesson is the sufferer. And the last letter of the sufferer in Arabic must take Fataha. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now number 3, the third category of verb is fi'lu amr, commandment. Now the examples of fi'lu amr. Wahid, number 1. Uktub darsa, ya Hashim. Uktub, write. Ad-darsa, the lesson. Ya Hashim, Hashim. What are you going to write? The lesson. The lesson is going to be the sufferer of the action of writing from you. So the last letter must take Fataha. Ithnan, number 2. Uktubi darsa, ya Zainab. You command a single male using uktub, but a single female using uktubi, you must attach yaun to the last letter, so as to make it a feminine verb to be used for commanding a single female to do something. So uktubi, write. Never tell a single female uktub, wrong, grammatically wrong. Rather uktubi. So uktubi darsa, write the lesson. Ya Zainab, Zainab. Okay, uktubi is an example of fi'l amr as well as uktub. Thalatha, number 3. Ikra, read. Ya Hashim, Hashim. So Ikra, read. Ya Hashim, Hashim. Remember that sukun is the main sign of amr in Arabic language. Sukun appearing on the last letter. When you say Ikra, that is amr, because the last letter is carrying sukun. Arba'a, number 4. Ikra'i, ya Zainab. Ikra'i, read. Ya Zainab, Zainab. You use ikra to command a male person and ikra'i to command a single female person by attaching ya'un to the base. La'allaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.